1999 Chevy Tahoe, custom, all custom paint, everything, really the clean car. We did a video of it earlier in the year when it wasn't all fixed up yet. Oh, I remember it, we brought it back because of the rolled bumper too. It's fully straight pipe. Let me let you guys hear what it sounds like now. But he wants to go a different direction with it. Your sound decibels. So it's right at 114. So we're gonna go a different direction. He wants it a little bit quieter, a little bit tamer. So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear it after we're done with it. So did you guys see how it was shaking? Anytime your exhaust is shaking and it's not like sturdy, most of the time what happens is a hanger breaks off like that. So you need to take it to a muffler shop right away and have them fix it, because it's supposed to look like that. When it breaks off like that from vibrations and certain things, you take it right away to a muffler shop and let them fix it. All right, but that's when we did the straight pipe duals on it, true duals. And he's like, I'm done with that, I want something different. So we're gonna take these out and put them a muffler in. We don't know what muffler yet, so stay tuned, but that's what it looks like before. And like again, see how the pipe is shaking? Whatever shakes like that when you're standing behind it, when you're revving and stuff, right away take it to a shop so they can fix it.
Alright guys, 1999 Chevy Tahoe with straight pipe. So we put some NETAMI twist on it, try to knock it down a little bit, get rid of some of the rasp in the drone form. Factory converters over there and right there. And then the true rules we did, straight pipe earlier, but he said it was too loud, too raspy, so we went ahead and put some NETAMI twist in its place right there. Try to clean it out some, and then just left the extenuation of the tailpipes out the back there. There you go, guys. That's what it looks like. It's finished. Let you guys hear it in a second. Remember, guys, like, comment, and subscribe.
It's quieter. Oh, way quieter. You gotta remember, it'll break in about 30 days too. So got a nice car. Rev it normal. You know what you need? An X pipe. See that trrr, trrr, that's the rasp. It'll take the rasp out. Again. Here's sound decibels. It almost seems louder. It's 111 now. I think before it was 107. So it is louder. But he is revving it higher too. Rev it like just normal, let's say a normal rev. 98, I reckon. Huh. I think it sounds good though. All right, bring it back. It's a good looking car though. I love what they did with it. 350 SS. With NETAMI twists. Roll bumper. It's a nice setup, like the wheels on it too. They match with the badging. What you guys hear on the inside? Car is mint, guys. I like it. The construction never ends, guys. They're getting there slowly. That's why we got the shotgun mics now. Tell us if you guys like this mic better. That sounds good. Got got a nice crackle to it. It's definitely different.